Hey guys, so it's Tuesday, August 7th. It's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon right now. I had a very busy morning. I finally woke up somewhat early. I tried to aim for 7, but that didn't happen. I just don't sleep very well. Oh, look who it is! Come, say hi. You haven't been on camera in so long.
You know how to spell my name, A-R-A-J-A-N.
Yeah, they know you.
A-A-B-I.
Yeah, they know you. So what have you been doing?
Lately?
Right
now
the past few days, this summer?
Right now I'm watching Power Rangers Samurai.
What did you do so far this summer? We went to Sesame Place, right?
Yeah, the Sesame Place. And then we got food, and then we got gas.
Okay. We got gas. That's what you remember about the Sesame Place trip? That we got gas?
And then the other summers we went to the park.
Yeah. What else did you do? Oh, you started karate lessons yesterday.
Yeah.
He was like, I don't think I'm gonna like it. I'm not gonna be good.
But now,
I'm not gonna be good.
now I do like, because I like my teacher.
Yeah.
He's awesome.
He's awesome. And the girls who were helping, you like them also, right? They're very nice.
They're like teacher kids.
Teacher kids. Yeah.
Kids
They're
are not
like,
even teachers.
Yeah, they're
though.
like
I think they were like 7 years old, and 7 years old I saw.
I think they were a little bit older, maybe 12, 13.
Or like an 8, or like a 9, or like a 10, or like 11, or like a 12, or like a 13.
Okay, you done?
No, I'm gonna stay here
Okay.
with you.
You have other stuff to talk about? No, I'm gonna be doing my nails, so I don't want the nail polish smell to get to you.
Okay, so guys, my mom is doing nail polish, and she doesn't want me to. She wants me to leave a nail polish. It smells really good and tasty.
It does. He has not eaten nail polish, you guys. Don't listen to him. Doing this thing, trying to be as productive as I can this summer and just in life in general. Ugh, I hate that the light is so bright on my face. Let me turn it down. Bright on my face. Let me turn it down. I've been using this thing called Wonderlist. It's an app, and I've actually used it quite a few times before, but I've never been consistent with it. So I tried to have a please. Anyway, to do like write to-do list every day. That didn't work out. I bought a really cute planner, used it for about 2 months, and then never used it again. What a waste. I've been getting so many random calls, unknown numbers, and I'm not answering.
God bless you.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you. God bless you.
Oh, guys, also.
God.
She has a little bit cold off.
No, I just sneezed. I don't have a cold.
Oh yeah.
All these calls, man. Leave me alone, okay? I don't know your number. Leave me a voicemail. I have to pick up some UPS packages because I'm still getting some packages sent to my old address. So I've had to pick up a bunch of them. That's really annoying, but it is what it is. So anyway, I'm gonna do my nails. I think I'm gonna go for like a red color. I haven't used this nail polish in a while, so I don't even know if it's gonna be good. Ooh, it's so good. Take off. It's dabbing. Okay, hey kid, if you're gonna be dabbing here, can you turn off the TV? When I was little, we didn't know about cotton swabs, which sounds really weird, but we didn't know about this. Whenever we had to take off nail polish, we'd use paper towels or tissues, and they did not work very well because they weren't as absorbent. It would take forever to get nail polish off with like 1-2 rows of, not rolls, sorry, sheets of the paper towel. This whole time we've been struggling with napkins. You're strange, little one. And also my back is killing me. We bought this mattress a couple months ago from Zionist or something. It's from Amazon. It was like really cheap. Had really good reviews. It's supposed to be like a very soft memory foam mattress or something, but I think it's too soft, or it's gotten too soft. So now it really hurts my back. My son. Doesn't make a lot of sense, but he is who he is, and I love him for it.
Thanks, Michael. Wait, what $1 to help a friend?
No, listen, Michael. We tell them that we have fewer clients. That is smart. That would not seem genuine, right?
I can get there.
Good. You take the lead on this one.
I really want to help. Then there's this new guy. Very cool.
So I'm getting worse and worse at vlogging. This is so bright, oh my god. I was looking cute a few minutes ago. Now my hair is doing a little bit better. I need to wash my hair. It's Wednesday, it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. I just finished filming this look. I had to change some stuff around because I had looks centered around like contact lenses. But then I realized my contact lenses are really old and I don't want to take a chance of an eye infection. So I had to throw them out. I just posted a look. Everyone seems to really like it so far. I'm really proud of myself. For the past few days, I've been really good on like posting and content and stuff like that. Why do I keep looking at myself? We're so conceited. I'm gonna be editing the video, the tutorial I just worked on. It should already be up by now because I'm gonna put this vlog on Sunday. I'm gonna do my very best to upload weekly vlogs, so Sundays will be for vlogging. I'm gonna order some food. I'm so hungry, and I'm gonna order some nachos. So maybe we can do a mini mukbang, except I'm really gross when I eat. So you guys, look at this beauty. There's so much in here. I'm so excited. Okay, let's do a little mukbang thingy. Is this gross? Hi guys, it's 3:20. It's Thursday. I had a very productive.
Wait, yesterday was Wednesday.
Don't interrupt me, please. I had a very busy, productive morning. Woke up, I had to refilm a part of a tutorial that is up now. It should be up now, the sunset eyes. I had to refilm the eye part in the morning and then edit that. So I just took a shower and I'm going to eat, and then I have to clean.
Right now I'm eating noodles right now.
Yeah, he's
That's
eating
for
noodles.
lunch,
I'm eating
right?
bath rice.
That's for lunch.
Clean all like my PR and stuff are, it's like all on the table, and I gotta clean that up before my mom gets home because she's gonna kill me. It is bath with some shag, and I don't know what this is. It's like shoshinda or something. It's like a gourd, and shag means like leafy greens. My favorite type of Bengali food to eat. I don't know why. I just really love it. It's like very comforting. So that's what I'm gonna eat, and I'm gonna watch some Office. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.